Hi, this is Mark Millian for CompuMove Systems, and today we're taking a look at the Salesperson's Cube Sheet article list. We're in CompuMove tablet mode here on a salesperson's mobile device. It's worth knowing that the list of rooms and the list of articles and packing that you see here are something that you can control. This is just the default list. Now this screen right here is exactly how we land when we start a new record, so let's add some items. You can see I'm in the living room. So I'm going to say we've got an air conditioner, and I'm going to say we've got a bench, and I'm going to say we've got two china cabinets. Then I'm going to go to the family room and pick a few other items. I'm going to say there's an armoire and there's a bird cage. So now when I click on the living room, you can see the living room items are listed. When I click on the family room, you can see the family room items are listed. If I click the All Items button and turn it into the In Use button, then it'll show me the three items from the living room and the three items from the family room. In addition to that, I can toggle between item types. So right now I'm on all items. If I click pack items, then now I have the packing, both the carrier pack and the PBOs for the living room. So I can pick a few articles there and maybe do a couple of those too, just for good measure. And then I can go to the family room, and because I'm in pack items mode, I'm seeing the pack list now for the family room, and I'll just do the same thing there. Now, when I use the In Use item button, I can have my choice of pack items. I can also have my choice of all items. So now I'm in the family room, all items that are in use, meaning the armoire and the bird cage and the packing. If I say pack items, I isolate on that. Otherwise, I get all of them, including the packing. If I take in use off, now I'm back to all items, which of course is what I would have to do if I was going to add more. And then I can once again just toggle through my room. So I could say show me packing in use, show me living room, show me family room. Now the next thing I can do is I can merge by the rooms. So if I hit the by room button up here, now I've got living room, family room. I'm on all items. If I want to zero in on packing, I can do so. Or if I want to see all items, I can do so. If I want to add something, I take myself out of all in use and I'm back on all items, and then I pick a room and I'm good to go. Another function worth looking at is the crate function. If I click on the crate description in the article list, I land on the Crate Cube Calculator dialog box. I can describe the item. I can enter dimensions. It'll calculate the number of cubic feet. When I accept that, it drops it into the crate item description. I can go back into it and edit it further if I want to. Otherwise, that's going to be included in the itemized article list with the dimensions and the description and the cube. In the lower left-hand corner, I've got the Add button. I click on that, and that brings up an Add dialog. It offers me the description of the item that I'm on in case I want to make a modification to it. I've also got a button just to clear that description and start typing a new one. I can increment the count. I could change the cube if I wanted to, and then I hit my Add Item button. And so it makes it the alternate item in this case with the cubes and the quantity that I selected. Now, if I hit edit, I'm basically brought to the same spot, except now I'm offered to edit the item title, do the count, and do the cubes. Very, very similar to the add menu. The only other difference is that if I click into the room list and then edit, now I'm editing the room list title. And it's worth knowing that if you double click into these lists, you'll automatically go into edit mode and you'll bring up the keyboard at the same time. The final function to look at is the row size. I know people use this with stylus and people use this with fingers, and the row size button's designed to accommodate that. Here we are in narrow row. I would call this stylus friendly. Hit the row size button, it bumps it up a size. Make it more finger friendly. Hit the row size button the third time, now it becomes big. So we've got small, medium, and large, and it just cycles through them. So that's a look at the Salesperson's Cube Sheet article list. Brief look at how the screen is organized, how you can filter and sort and organize that list as you work through it. We also looked at adding and editing. There are other Cube Sheet functions we did not discuss. Um, be looking for future videos, or if you've got questions, please call our office. Thanks for watching.